5 plants that are easy to manage every day plus best 3 tips for cultivate plants. Hey, plant lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting your journey into the wonderful world of botany, today we've got something special for you. Here are 5 plants that are easy to manage every day. But before we get started, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell, so you never miss a blooming update from us. 1. The snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. The snake plant is a superb choice for beginners. It's incredibly hardy, can thrive in low light conditions, and doesn't require much water. The best part? It's known to purify the air. Pothos, this trailing vine is not just beautiful, it's also very forgiving. Pothos does well in a variety of light conditions and doesn't mind if you're a bit forgetful with watering. Just don't let it dry out completely and you'll be rewarded with rapid growth. The ZZ plant, the Zamioculcas zamiifolia, or ZZ plant, is another great low-maintenance choice. It's drought-tolerant, prefers low to medium light, and can even handle some neglect. Plus, its glossy foliage is sure to add a touch of elegance to any space. Spider plant, this fast-growing houseplant is not just easy to care for, it's also easy to propagate. Spider plants are great for hanging baskets and can tolerate a variety of lighting conditions. Just water them well, but be sure to let them dry out between waterings. Peace lily. The peace lily isn't just a beautiful addition to any home, it's also one that's relatively easy to care for. They thrive in medium to low light and prefer to be kept moist. They'll even signal when they're thirsty by drooping slightly. Remember, these beauties also help to cleanse indoor air. There you have it, 5 easy-to-manage plants for everyday care. Each of these beauties is a great addition to your indoor garden. Stay tuned for more plant care tips and tricks. Until then, keep growing, plant friends. And now the best 3 tips for cultivate plants. 1. Right environment. Ensure your plants are in suitable conditions. This involves choosing the right spot with the appropriate sunlight exposure, warmth, and humidity. Every plant has unique requirements, so always research the specific needs of the species you're growing. Proper watering. Too much or too little water can be harmful. Understand your plant's water needs. Some plants prefer their soil to dry out completely between watering, while others require consistently moist soil. Use your finger to test the soil's moisture level before watering. 3. Nutrition and soil. Good quality soil rich in nutrients is a must. Regularly add organic compost or specific plant food as needed. Healthy soil promotes strong root growth, which is vital for overall plant health. Also, ensure the soil has good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant content. Stay green and we'll see you in the next video.